Students, previous class you have learned exercise 5.1 seventh problem. Yes, 3 to seventh problem. Now eighth problem. Let P of 11, comma 7, Q of 13.5, comma 4 and R of 9.5, comma 4 be the midpoints of the sides of AB, BC and AC respectively of triangle ABC. Find the coordinates of the vertices A, B and C. Hence find the area of a triangle ABC and compare with this area of triangle PQR. Okay students, what is given? For this problem, midpoints of the triangle given. Yes, midpoints of the triangle. Yes, suppose midpoints means for it is the triangle. Midpoints given the side AB. Suppose you are considered it as A, B, C. Midpoint of AB is P. Midpoint of BC, Q. Midpoint of AC is R. Okay. You have to join these midpoints. You get two triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Yes. For the midpoints are given. Using these midpoints, you have to find the vertices of the triangle ABC. Okay, students. After finding the vertices of triangle ABC, you have to find the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR. Then we have to compare their areas. Listen students, first you have to write what is given in the question. Yes, midpoints are given, that is what are the midpoints? P of 11, 7, Q of 13.4, R of 9.5, 4. Yes, are the midpoints of the triangle ABC. Yes, for this given measure, you have to draw the triangle. Yes, you have to draw this triangle. Midpoints of AB is P, midpoints of BC Q, midpoints of AC R. Yes, the midpoints vertices are given, so midpoints are given, that is 11, 7, 13.5, 4, 9.5, 4. Yes, for A, B, C are unknown, so you have to consider this as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Students, do you remember for this problem like as 9th standard problem? Yes, yes students. Yes, now we have to proceed. Midpoints, what is the formula? Midpoint x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. Okay, you have to using this formula, we have to find this vertices A, B, C. Okay, yes, first you have to use midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Now that is equal to midpoint value, what is given? 11 comma 7. Yes, so that is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to 11 by 7. Okay, midpoint formula is equal to that midpoint 11 comma 7. Okay, now you have to compare the coordinates. X coordinate compare with these two sides. Yes, x coordinates and y coordinates we have to compare. So that is x1 plus x2 by 2 is equal to 11. y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to 7. Okay students, yes, so that is x1 plus x2 by 2 is equal to 11. For this 2, take this side. Yes, this division 2 moves to right hand side, it's become multiplication. So x1 plus x2 is equal to 22. Then compare the y coordinate. y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to 7. So this 2, take this side, it's become 14. 2 into 7, 14. Okay, for it is equation number 1, it is equation number 2. Okay students, yes, next you have to find the midpoint of BC. Again you have to write the formula. The midpoint is given as 13.5 comma 4. Yes, this midpoint is equal to 13.5 comma 4. Otherwise you have to write this side. It is easy for you. Yes, x2 plus x3 by 2 comma y2 plus y3 by 2. Now it is easy to compare their coordinates. Yes, x1, x2 plus x3 by 2 is equal to 13.5. y2 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 4. Yes, already we found two equations. Yes, students. Yes, now x2 plus x3 is equal to this 2 take this side. Transpose to right hand side, it's become multiplication. So 13.5 into 2 is equal to 27. You know this decimal multiplication. Now you make a normal multiplication, then keep on decimal place. Okay, that is 27.0. That is equal to 27. Okay, yes, it is equation number 3. So you have to write that is equal to 27. Equation number 3. Now comparing the y coordinates, y2 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 4. These two transpose to right hand side, it's become multiplication to 4 into 2, 8. So y2 plus y3 is equal to 8. It is called it as equation number 4. Students, next we have to find midpoint of AC. x1 plus x3 by 2, comma y1 plus y3 by 2. So that is equal to 9.5, comma 4. Otherwise, you have to use here. Okay, students, formula is equal to given midpoint. Now you have to compare the coordinates. x1 plus x3 by 2 is equal to 9.5. y1 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 4. So x1 plus x3 is equal to 19.0. So that is you have to make multiple these two. You get 190. Keep one decimal place. Okay. So that is equal to 19. Okay. Next, comparing the y coordinates, y1 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 4. This 2 transpose here, it's become 4 into 2, 8. Yes, y1 plus y3 is equal to 8. It is called it as equation number 6. Yes, first midpoint, using the first midpoint, we get 2 equations. Using the second midpoints, we get 2 equations. For this third midpoints, we get 2 equations. Totally we have 6 equations. Yes, for the 6 equations, for x values you have to add. Yes, x equations. Yes, students. Yes, that is when we are adding that x equations, that is equation number 1, 3, 5. We have to add these 3. Okay, x equations 1, 3, 5. You have to add left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side we get 2x1, 2x2, 2x3. Okay, so totally you have to write 2 into x1 plus x2 plus x3. When we are adding the left hand side, we get 2x1 and 2x2 and 2x3. So you have to take this 2 commonly outside. So that is x1 plus x2 plus x3. That is equal to 22 plus 27 plus 19. You have to add these 3. You get 68. Okay. So now you have to make cancel. It is 1, 2 is 2. It is 34. Okay, students, it is 34. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. You have to make answer. Okay, so that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 34. It is equation number 7. Now, using this equation number 7, we get the following values. The first equation we have x1 plus x2 is equal to 22. It is the first equation. We have to subtract that 7th equation and first equation. 7th equation we have x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to that value, so 32. Yes, students. So that is you have to subtract these two. 7 minus 1. When we are subtracting this x1 plus x2 with that equation 7, we get x3. Okay, students, 7 minus 1, we get x3. So that is left hand side value for this is 34. The first equation we have 22. So that you have to subtract these two, we get 12. Then 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3, third equation. So we are subtracting 7 minus 3, we get x1. Yes. So 34 minus 27, that is equal to 7. Then 7 minus 5. x2 minus is equal to 34 minus 19. That is equal to 15. Okay, students. The same way you have to find for the y equations. We have to add 2 plus 4 plus 6. So we get 2 y1, 2 y2 and 2 y3. So that is 2 into y1 plus y2 plus y3, that is equal to 14 plus 8 plus 8. So that is you have to make cancel 1 2 is 2, 15 2s are 30. So y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 15. It is called it as equation number 8. Now equation 8 minus 2 y equations. So we get y3. 15 minus 14 is equal to 1. then 8 minus 4, we get y1. So that is 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Then again 88 minus 6, we get y2 is equal to 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Okay students, we have to subtracting the equations. 8 2 second equation subtract from 8, fourth equation subtract from 8, sixth equation subtract from 8. So we get these points. Okay, so now you have to write the coordinates together. The vertices are x1 value 7, y1 value 7. So a of 7 comma 7, x2 value 15, y2 value 7, 15 comma 7, it is b vertices. Next is c value x3, 12 comma 7, sorry 12 comma 1. So we get this vertices a, b, c. Okay students, yes, listen student, for this vertices you have to find area. Yes, using these vertices you have to find area. For when we are finding area, the points we have to taken in order. So you have to draw the graph. Okay, rough graph you have to draw. So that is 7 comma 7, 15 comma 1, sorry 7 comma 7 is here, 15 comma 7, here it is 12 comma 1. So you have to join these points. So I am choose here, it is A. So next is B, it is C. Okay, so the order of the triangle 7 comma 7, 12 comma 1, 15 comma 7. So don't get confused here, confusion here. This is for given points vertices we found. Yes, using the midpoints we found these points a of x1 comma y1, b of x2 comma y2, c of x3 comma y3. For this ABC, for this order using this graph and denoting this ABC, it is the we found this values a point, b point, c point. This is we are taken in order. Okay students, yes, using this values, order value, anti-clockwise direction we choose the order, so using these points you have to find the area. So area of triangle, write the formula, then substitute the values. It is x1 y1, x2 y2, it is x1 y1. Okay, x1 y1, it is x2 y2, it is x3 y3. Okay, so you have to substitute the points. 7, x1 7, x2 12, x3 15, then x1 7. Then y1 is 7, y2 is 1, y3 is 7, then again y1 is 7. Yes, now you have to make multiplication, downward arrow marks. 7 into 7 7, 12 7s are 84, 15 into 7 105, minus of, this is in the formula, minus of 12 into 7 84, 1 into 15 15, 7 7s are 49. All the one is a positive value. So you have to add this, you get 196, add this the second group, it is 148. Subtract these two, you get 48. Okay, so you have to make cancel 1 2 is to 24. So 24 square units. Next, using the midpoints, we get one triangle, their area of triangle half into. Listen students, for this triangle PQR, using the midpoints triangle, yes, that is PQR. For this points, you have to denote on the graph. Okay, it is 9.5 comma 4, 13.5 comma 4, 11 comma 7. Okay, approximately you have to draw the graph. Okay, rough graph. Using this, I'm chosen here, it is A, it is B, it is C. So you have to take in order. For here the name is PQRS students. So you have to use P, it is Q, it is R. So you have to write P of 9.5 comma 4. Yes, the point P of 9.5 comma 4, Q of 13.5 comma 4. Then R point is 11 comma 7. So it is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Now already you wrote the formula. So now directly you have to substitute the values x1, x2, x3, then x1, y1, y2, y3, then y1. Now you have to make multiple these two. It is 38.0. So that is 38. Then you have to make multiple, that is 94.5. Multiple these two 44. All the one is a positive value. Then minus of. For 4 into 13.5 is 54. 4 11s are 44. 7 into 9.5 66.5. Okay, you have to add this. You know how to add the decimal point. Yes, students. So you have to add these three. You get 176.5 minus 164.5. Subtract these two values. You get 12. 1 by 2 into 12. So that is 1 2 is to 1 2 is to 6 2s are 12. So that is equal to 6 square units. So area for triangle ABC is equal to, what do you get area for triangle ABC? Look here, area for triangle ABC is equal to 24 square units. Yes, area for triangle is 24 square units. Area of triangle PQR is equal to 6 square units. So, area for triangle ABC is equal to 4 into area for triangle PQR. Okay, have you understood this? Area for triangle ABC is equal to area for triangle A, since area for triangle is how much? Area of triangle ABC is equal to 24 square units. So area of triangle PQR, is equal to 6 square units. Yes, so this is written as, for it is 24 is written as 6 into 4. This is written as 6 into 4. So you have to write area for triangle ABC is equal to 4 into area of triangle PQR, because this 6 is area for triangle. So area 4 into area for triangle PQR.